Hi, so I'm Bradley Messmer. I'm the founder and CEO of Abreos Biosciences, and I'm also still part-time faculty at the Moores Cancer Center. I didn't bring any slides, so I'm just gonna wing it. So I have been at Moores for almost 12 years now, originally as a pure academic, and about 5 years ago, realized that I was basically functioning as an entrepreneur in the university. Since I'm paid on soft money, I'm writing my own grants, I'm living grant to grant at the university, and decided, well, this is kind of stupid. I might as well do the same thing where I can share on the upside and build a company with some of the innovations that we had developed in the lab. So I started writing SBIRs initially with sort of a shell company, very similar to the Scholar Nexus approach, and then ultimately broke away from that model and wrote one for our company that we had actually gotten some seed funding through a business plan competition that then catalyzed with our first SBIR grant, which then actually led to some angel funding. And as of now, we have received over $1 million in phase 1 SBIRs. We have phase 2s pending. They've been great. SBIRs are a great way to bootstrap a company, and particularly if you're already at an academic institute or have another full-time job but can still sort of write them on the side, I think that's a great way to get started. But as I'm sure we'll discuss, the timelines are brutally slow if you're a true entrepreneur and you want to go fast and you have investors that want to see results. So I think an interesting topic that maybe we can touch on is how to both leverage the SBIRs but also wean yourself off of them or don't live by them, because the entrepreneurial community, in my experience, operates on a time scale that's very different than both the academic and the grant funding cycles. So that's where I think I have some thoughts. So I look forward to the discussion.